just got on the ferry. This is actually kind of a chill ride. The seats are a little tight, I think, for Matt over here, but we're making it work. I got my partner over here, Benji, super cool. At least they have like really low armrests, so you can kind of lay across them, which is really nice. You can actually go onto the top of the boat. A little bit rainy right now, so we can come back inside, but it's nice. There's like good places to take pictures. You can see all the islands, and that's the best part, is when you can see the islands when you're walking around. They're just like hills covered in green. It's pretty sweet. Looks like outside. There's some very steep stairs. Let's go to Phi Phi! We just took a 2-hour boat ride on one of those things, and now to get to actually where we're staying, which is right over there, we have to take another boat ride to get there. I think we're gonna have to go back and forth either by taking one of these things or what this guy just told us is by hiking through the jungle for 30 minutes. So that's gonna be an interesting experience.
Back in the jungle at midnight.
As long as we're not slipping and falling all over the place, we're gonna end up all muddy. That's dope, dude.
Yeah, I just got
Hell
it.
yeah. How much was it?
$100.
Nice.
Yeah.
100 baht?
Yeah, no, 4,000 baht.
Whole trip I haven't even gone in the ocean one time yet, so I think this might be the place to do it, even if it's raining. Alright, shoes had to come off. I guess we're gonna step in the water a little bit, and then here's the island we're debarking. Is that the word? Debark? Disembark, thank you. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is great. Nice big shower. All right, closet. Huge bathroom. Okay. Dang, the bathroom is great. Okay.
You're gonna use that, okay? This is umbrella. Umbrella, you wanna go outside, you check umbrella, it's raining.
Okay.
This is outside shoe, this is inside shoe.
Ah, cool.
Also, there's minimum. Small hotel free, yeah?
Okay.
No free. That's right, we'll wait as well.
Okay.
Our restaurant, the same price.
Ooh. Wait, are we going in both?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. We got a hammock on this side. Look at this view. It's very slippery though. Wow.
So they said we can use the slippers. Yeah. The blue ones we can use.
All right. So we have this whole floor. I couldn't have asked for a better honeymoon.
Dude, fucking group showers. How big this thing is.
Group showers? All right, guys, this part's gonna be rated R, so make sure you close your eyes and protect your loved ones. Holy shit!
I didn't. That's why it's so big. You were standing on the side.
We're just showering right here. Oh, hell yeah, nice blow dryer. All right, guys, so we just finished off all the transportation. So we just came from Patong Beach in Phuket, Thailand. We took a ferry all the way to Phi Phi Island, and then from there we had to take a longboat all the way over here to Viking Village Resort, which is on Viking Beach. It's a little bit away from the city, so we're gonna have to take those longboat, what's it called? Longboat back and forth. But we actually might try hiking through the jungle one of these nights.
Yeah, maybe not the first night, just because we don't know our way yet, but I'm down to stay out in the village till it gets late and try and find our way back without taking a boat.
That should be fun.
Yeah.
That should be fun. The guy on the ride over here told us it's like a hike through the jungle, so we'll see how intense that is. But
the boat ride's only like 5 minutes, but the problem is you have to wait because they want to fill the boat up back and forth, so you can't always catch a boat when you want to.
right. Yeah, so that's one thing to keep in mind if you come here. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and click the notification bell if you never want to miss any of my uploads. Follow me at whereisbrad_, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.